Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello, we have a motel which has 30 rooms. So the total number of rooms is given to be 30. And the pricing structure for renting the rooms is one room is rented at $95 per room, and two rooms are rented in a block. That is, two rooms together are rented at $92 per room. In general, if we are renting out a block of n rooms, the price per room is 95 minus 3 times the number of additional rooms. For example, in a block of n rooms, we are renting out n minus 1 additional rooms. So the price per room will be 95 minus 3 times the number of additional rooms, which is n minus 1. This will be the price per room. This is the price per room. If n rooms are rented in a block, then the price per room is 95 minus 3 times n minus 1 dollars. Okay. The first question we are asked is, if three rooms are rented to a group in a block, what is the price per room? So three room block, for this three room block, the price per room is 95 minus, we can use this formula, 95 minus 3 times n minus 1 is 2 here, which is equal to per room. This is equal to dollars. 3 times 2 is 6. 95 minus 6 is 89. So it is $89 per room. And we also have to find what is the total revenue, or what is the total money we get by renting the three room block. Total money we take in from the block of three rooms is equal to 3 times $89, which is equal to $267. In part B, we are asked to find a formula for the price of price per room when a block of n rooms is rented out to an organization, and that is what we have found here. Then if n rooms are rented as a block to an organization, then the price per room for the block is this function, which is, now we can simplify this a bit. It is 95 minus 3n plus 3, which is 98 minus 3n dollars. 98 minus 3n dollars. Okay. And in part C, we are asked to calculate a revenue function. Rn is the revenue that we get by renting a n room block to, say, a convention host. The revenue we get when we rent a n room block is equal to the price per room. The price per room that we calculated in part B is 98 minus 3n. This is the price per room for a n room block, but there are n rooms in that block. So the total money that we take in, or the total revenue, is this times n, and it is equal to 98n minus 3n square dollars. So this is the revenue for that we get from renting out a n room block. And in part D, we have to find the revenue uh, from renting out a 7-room block. So R7 will give the revenue from renting out a 7-room block, and it will be equal to, we plug in 7 into this function. It is 98 times 7 minus 3 times 7 square, and it is equal to $539. And this completes the solution to this question. I hope this is useful. Thank you.